Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are baking a fresh and yummy lemon cake. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's start it. First, grate a lemon peel using a fine grater to get the lemon zest. Make sure to take only the yellow part of the skin, not the bitter white part. Now add the sugar to the lemon zest and mix gently to release the lemon aroma. Crack the egg into the mixture and mix well until fully combined. Oops, an eggshell fell into the bowl. Let's carefully take it out. Let's mix it up and add a little vanilla magic. Just 1 teaspoon to fix that eggy smell. Mix it really well so the egg blends in completely. Pour in most of the milk, but save a little to mix the cornstarch. Pour in most of the milk, but save a little to mix the cornstarch. Strain it, then add it to the bowl, no lumps allowed. Transfer the mixture to a pot. Place it on the stove and stir continuously until it turns into a thick, smooth lemon cream. Just keep stirring. It will soon turn into a rich and creamy lemon filling. Drop in the butter, turn off the heat and let it stay warm. It will melt in beautifully. We're starting the cake batter. Crack in the eggs, add a splash of vanilla, and mix until that eggy smell is gone. Time to add the sugar. Give it a good mix till it's all smooth and blended. Let's add the butter. Make sure it's nice and soft at room temperature. Time to pour in the milk. Give it a nice mix. Let's sift in the flour little by little. Add the baking powder along the way, so it blends it nicely. Time to use that lemon we zested earlier. Squeeze out the juice and add it right in. Our batter is ready. Let's brush some butter all over the cake pan to grease it well. Let's pour that beautiful batter into the pan. Hold back a little batter. First, pour most of it into the pan. Then add that creamy lemon filling in the middle and cover it with the rest of the batter. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 30 or 45 minutes. Stick a toothpick right in the center. If it comes out clean with no batter, your cake is perfectly baked. Take your cake out of the oven and flip it onto a wire rack. Let it cool completely before serving. When the cake is nice and cool, sprinkle on some powdered sugar and add a few lemon slices for the extra zing. It's absolutely delicious. Enjoy. Super tasty. Don't forget to give it a try.